Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My English book Standard 7 2.2 Two Fables. Now we are going to read the second story, The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Once upon a time, a town mouse went on a visit to his cousin in the country. The country mouse was a simple, rustic fellow. He loved his town friend. He gave him a hearty welcome, beans, cheese, and bread. We all were all he had to offer, but he offered them freely. The town mouse rather turned up his long nose at his simple country fare and said, "I cannot understand, cousin, how you can put up this poor food. But of course you cannot expect anything better in the country. Come with me and I will show you how to live. When you see town life, you will wonder how you could ever live in the country." No sooner said than done. The two mice set off for the town and arrived at the big house where the town mouse lived in a hole. "You will want some refreshment after a long journey," said the polite town mouse, and took his friend into a grand dining room where they found the remaining of fine fish. Soon the two mice were eating up jellies and cakes and all that was nice. Suddenly they heard growling and barking. "What is that?" said the country mouse. "It is only the dog of the house," answered the other. "Only," said the country mouse, "I do not like that music at my dinner." Just at the moment the door flew open, in came two huge mastiffs, and the two mice had to scramble down and run off. "Goodbye, cousin," said the country mouse. "What? Going so soon?" said the other. "Yes," he replied. "Better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear."